Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make something out of your aloe vera lotion, your little serum that we made the other day from the aloe vera plant, right? You're going to cut just like we did before, right? To make so here's my aloe vera. Now if you don't have an aloe vera plant, you can also go to a co-op, right? And get a aloe vera, they sell them in the store for like $4.99, right? So you could already have one that it would already be cut. The latex would probably be already drained out of there. Today we are taking our serum, our white serum that I showed you in another video how to make, and we're gonna turn this into something else. We are going to turn this into a balm, like I love this product, Jones Road product. It's their Miracle Balm, right? And we're not going to have the consistency of this as in a jar, but we are going to be having the consistency on our face, right? So you're just gonna and take pink. Different color. One more time. So here we have our three products, the three different colors, right? And if you don't have the mica, you can use just your makeup, right? That's super simple. So here we are. This would be a bronzer for my cheeks with that serum, that super creamy serum, which I absolutely love. And this is comparable to the Jones Road that I really like. The pink, this is from the mica. And if you don't have the mica, you can just use your regular makeup and do it that way. So, just a nice little glow. Jillzilla.